Hello, my name is Isma Martinez. I am 20 years old. I am the business administration in completar and baby in work. But he's a Spanish singer from Sevilla. His full name is Francisco Javier Alvarez Beret. I become very reconciled with his song I Am Sorry. I like this artist for his lyrics and that his music under mix. In the channel The World Pérez had an interview where he mentioned that he suffers from an anxiety disorder. Mm, What caught my attention was that he said that he forget to do his as if it did not help for true. I'm still alone on the bench because one stick paraphrase of the song as in mega stamping what it meant. He said he was referring to relationship he had where he did love himself and preferred to leave the relationship because if you don't love yourself first, you can love another person. 3. People have to understand. He says that person are very emotional and that have to dosify understand him in my opinion that who beautiful people wow might be unique those did to understand their work. Thank you.